All right, so now we're going to reassemble the freshly painted brand new wheel bearings, hubs, and ball joints back on the Civic. So let's pull out the Carter key and get the nut off the bottom so we can get this in here and get this straight. And then also too, I'm going to end up buying a set of coilovers to put on here. And I'm going to upgrade the brakes and everything. Just for right now, I'm going to put everything back together so that way I can actually move the car around to be able to do some other stuff and get everything straight. So we're going to assemble this and put that back in there. And we got to get our nut, put our nut on. That will hold our CV axle in. So that way our CV axle doesn't come out while we're trying to get everything installed. We're going to put the nut on the bottom. And then also too, just so you note, I did not put the heat shield back on. It was pretty much trash, and I can't seem to find one for this one. So maybe somewhere down the line, if I have to replace the wheel bearings again or spindles or anything like that, I will be on the search for these, and then I'll put some new ones, some brand new ones on. But with this being a older model car, kind of makes it hard to actually get stuff that you're looking for and everything. So yeah, so that's the reason why that's not on there, just in case if you was trying to figure out or wondering why. And I thought this was a 17 and this is a 19. Okay, so I need a 19 and I don't have a 19. The next best thing is going to be a crescent wrench, so you can actually fit any size you want. So, and we're going to tighten this up until we get it snug, and then once it's snug, then we'll put a couple turns on it until we can get the holes lined up where the Carter pin goes, and we slide the Carter pin in, and let me find the right one. All right, so get the Carter pin, and then you fold the Carter pin around, and pretty much the Carter pin keeps the nut from backing back off while you're driving, because you wouldn't want to be driving, and hit a bump and your whole wheel just falls off, and then it just falls under and you mess up your fender, your car, and everything. You don't want to do all that, so that's a good thing to put back in. It's always a good thing to put your Carter pin back in. All right, now we're going to reinstall the tie rod. So that's actually, believe it or not, before I got this, somebody actually replaced this, which was it's pretty cool. So these are actually fairly brand new, even though they look kind of dirty. They were sitting for a while, but they're actually pretty brand new. All right, I don't have a Carter key for that because in the process of taking it out, I do believe it broke. And I think that's what this right here is. It kind of broke off on me. So I got some brand new ones. I just got to go actually find them. And I actually have a brand new upper control arm coming for this. Because this one is completely shot. Like, it's really bad. I mean, really bad. Like, I don't know how the person was driving with any of this stuff that was on here. But pretty much, like I said, I'm gonna get, like I said, I'm gonna be doing coilovers in this. Pretty much, I'm just putting this back together just to get it moving around so I can do other things other than leaving it jacked up in the air without any wheels on it. And then also, I'm not even gonna put this tight. It's just gonna be hand tight because the car is not moving anywhere. Yeah, the car is not really moving anywhere anytime soon. I still have a whole lot of stuff left to do, but there you have it. And I'm gonna take this off from here. And I need to clean off all the stuff out of this. This is really bad. Get all this right here cleaned off. But I'm gonna put the 2 bolts in here to hold. Actually, I'm just gonna put 1 bolt in here just to hold this up so it's not dangling. I had it pretty much, I had it sitting over off to the side, so I wouldn't have to worry about stretching the brake lines and everything. And I can put the two 10 millimeter bolts back in that holds the brake line. I can actually put those back in because I could take the brake caliper off to put the new rotor and brake pads on. So, and then also too, I'm gonna try to clean this off real good, and I'm gonna hit this with a coat of paint. I don't know if I'm gonna do black the same way I did this one, or if I might do maybe a blue or some kind of color. I don't know. I'm gonna paint it some kind of color. I just ain't figured out which color I want to paint it, but I'm gonna paint it one of the colors that I have floating around in my garage. But get all that straight. And then also too, I want to eventually upgrade the brake lines to stainless steel brake lines. They just hold up to a lot more of the heat and stuff like that. They don't collapse over time or anything like that. So that's always a good thing, especially because this is, I ain't gonna say this is gonna be like my daily driver, but it's my play toy, and I'm pretty much trying to build it. Eventually it's gonna be built for maybe 350, 400 horsepower, but still street drivable. So, and then I can also take it to the track and play with it there, or, you know, however it works, you know. I just want to make a good, fun car. Pretty much just build something just to have fun with. Take my kids to the drag strip, or just take them out, you know, on Alpha ice cream or something like that. This is something. But yeah, so this is just a quick video, and I will show you the finished product. Sorry about the camera. All right, so like I said, this right here is gonna have to be replaced. This is gonna have to be replaced, and this right here, I'm just, like I said, it's only hand tight. Sorry about that. I'll tell you what. Why it won't let me turn the camera around. Okay, like I was saying, I'm sorry about that. Like I said, this part right here is all jacked up. I'm putting adjustable upper control arms on there, and I'm doing coilovers. This right here, I'm gonna probably end up cleaning up and painting, clean that up in the nuts and everything. Like I said about this right here, I'm gonna end up probably fixing this, clean this up, paint it a color, whatever. And these are here pretty new. They're still stiff as I don't know what. So they're pretty good. And I'm gonna clean up all this stuff right here, all this pitted and everything, paint these, and probably eventually get a new set of CV axles. I'm gonna rock these for right now. And I will be doing a Max speeding rods, traction control bar, and I'm gonna do their coilovers, and I'm gonna do their control arms and a couple other things that they have too. But just pretty much get everything straight. But there you have it. I'm gonna slide back a little bit so you can see it. And that's the, I guess you could say, new spindle put on, because it has a brand new wheel bearing, brand new hub, lower ball joint. I painted it. I cleaned it really good and painted it so it looks nice and presentable. And there you go. So if you like the video, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification so that way when I start uploading, I'm gonna start uploading quite frequently. You can get the videos and keep up with my build that I'm doing on my little four-door. Thank you. Have a great day.